Let's suppose this is a challan, and now the trial court comes to the conclusion that no, it's actually not 500 million, it's 490 million. It's bereft of, what does it do? So this thing fixing an amount, sometimes you don't know because it may be accounted for during the either during the investigation or during the trial. So are there any, you may just keep it, don't respond to it, and respond whether any other country or any other statute does this threshold.
My Lord, yes. I'm very grateful.
Sorry, Makhloom Saab, I think the majority judgment answers this itself by saying that NAB only deals with mega corruption issues.
But no, but where do, I'm talking about the mechanism part of it.
And I had, my Lord, given an example from the Balochistan High Court, that when the Balochistan High Court reprimanded NAB for prosecuting petty offences and said you should be doing better things, the defense of NAB was that there is no major corruption in Balochistan. If we don't prosecute these people, we would be left with nothing to do. So that is, my Lord, Mr. Justice Mandokhel's judgment, and your Lordship has noted that this is what NAB's extraordinary response was. And my Lord, connected to 500 million and your Lordship's observation, my Lord, the Chief Justice, is the issue of forum. It was
no, I'm just saying the concept.
Yes, my Lord.
You need not respond to it now.
No, my Lord.
This is not really a contention. It's just for you to respond later, if you want to.
Giving a proposition which is that there can be no fundamental right in the choice of forum. If the legislature thinks that some offences are better prosecuted by the Accountability Code, there are other offences.
No, we've understood that point of view.
Prevention of Corruption Act.
I've understood that point of yours. But the point which I'm saying is, there's a question mark at the end, legislature mention amounts when during investigation you really don't know. After investigation you know. And then during trial, if the amount falls short, he will say at the end, facing a whole rigors of a trial, he'll say, no, now he's to be tried by in another court. So I just want to raise this query.
That's a very pithy observation.
No, and are there any other precedents of this kind of legislation in Pakistan or elsewhere?
My Lord,
where an amount has predetermined, only after investigation you know the amount, because someone may make an allegation, जिसने करोड़ों खा लिए, बाद मालूम हुआ कि जी वो 10 लाख थे, अतः कुछ भी हो सकता है ना.
और एक और यहाँ पे क्यों
My Lord, it's done in fiscal matters. I am not aware of anything in criminal law, but I will research it. I will research it.
इसमें मखदूम साहब देख लेना कि आप इसमें क्या सिंगल लेके दारा क्यों नहीं हो सकता? क्या गवर्नमेंट इस तरफ नहीं सोच सकती? सिंगल इदारा हो, ये ना कि नैब का है, ये FI है.
My Lord, my respectful submission was that before the Ehtisab laws as such, there were other laws in the country and before the NAB ordinance, there were other laws in the country which dealt with corruption. So simply referring some of the matters to those fora could not be violated of fundamental right. In response, example was given of Proda and EBDO, which were special tribunals of this kind made for disqualifying elected persons, and the response to that was that Proda and EBDO has a very checkered history in our country, which has been used again for political engineering and political maneuvering. But this is definitely merits, my Lord, serious consideration, even with the legislature, that whether there should be a limit at all of 500 million.
I think a very pertinent...
Yes, my Lord.
Makhdoom Saab, if you are able to satisfy us that those 35 references which were returned and which appears to be the concern of the majority are triable before any other forum, then the entire judgment goes. And which has been answered by His Lordship Justice Mansoor Ali Shah. Because that is the sole ground on which these amendments have been struck down.
The dissent is a complete answer to that, and that this was an academic exercise, and that in fact on ground something very different was happening.
You have to satisfy us that there is a forum.
My Lord, yes, and it was, that submission was made in writing. I'll take your Lordship to that submission. Plus, my Lord, Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah identifies that in the case of Pule and in the case of Bangladesh, the statutory provision was different. And their Lordships have followed the judgment from India and Bangladesh without looking at the language of their statute. And that is, my Lord, also what Mr. Justice Syed Mansoor Shah points out in his dissent, and that's probably the last proposition, that the distinction which was drawn between elected holders of a public office and persons in the service of Pakistan, that distinction actually did not exist in law. And that's the last submission, which basically...
Sorry, come again.
My Lord, that is articulated, my Lord, also as point of law number 4 in my petition.
So just say it.
The distinction drawn in the majority judgment between elected holders of public office and persons in the service of Pakistan did not have any constitutional basis or statutory backing, because it is absent in both places. So virtually the lordships were saying that people who are politicians, they should be held to a different standard before a different forum, and so far as the bureaucrats and the others are concerned, there should be a different forum and a different standard.
And some others should be above the law.
They didn't go that far, my Lord, but...
And
No,
please don't...
that's very important.
Please don't quote Animal Farm now.